जुलै 2024 पणजेच्या रस्त्यावेल्यान पयल्याच फावट कदंबा एसी इलेक्ट्रीक बसी धांवपाक लागिल्ल्यो. सुरवातेक ह्यो बशी बस स्टँड ते मिरामार, दोनापावल आनी बांबोळचो भायलो रूट घेताल्यो. मात रोखडेच पणजेच्या भितरल्या रस्त्यावेल्यान इलेक्ट्रीक बशी धांवपाक लागल्यो. स्मार्ट ई बस सेवा वट्ट 48 स्मार्ट सिटी बशी रस्त्यार धांवतात. आतां मेरेन 16.92 लाख प्रवाशांनी ह्या सेवेचो लाव घेतला. जुलै 2024 ते मार्च 2025 मेरेन प्रवाशांची संख्या 61,516 वेल्यान 2,14,153 मेरेन वाढली. आतां मेरेन सुमार 8.77 लाख किलोमीटर ह्या बशींनी प्रवास केला. ह्या सेवेंतल्यान 1.93 कोटी रुपयांची येणावळ मेळ्ळ्या. प्रवाशी कॅशलेस पेमेंटाक पसंती दितात तेन्ना बेगीनूच ही बस सेवा पुराय डिजिटल जातली अशें कळटा.
In July 2024, we started the bus service, and in the months of July, August, September, and October, we were more or less on a trial phase to run these buses. It was not easy to run the loops, check how the passengers respond to it. Actually, service started in late November, December, where all the routes were operational and all the timings were more or less set. So, if you see, from the revenue point of view, it has grown from around 6.49 lakhs when we started our trial phase in July to last month in March. We generated a revenue of 27.24 lakhs. And the total kilometers which we are running has grown from 10,942 kilometers in July to March. We ran almost 1,18,567 kilometers. So it's a quantum jump. And the earnings per kilometer has averaged out to 25.81 per kilometer. This is our earning. And this is the authentic figure. You can see on the graph, the green line shows the total revenue, how it has shown a steady increase, and how kilometers have also increased. Now you see in July when we started the trial phase, in a month we took 61,000 odd passengers. In March, 214,000 passengers in that month boarded our buses. And the total kilometers was 118,000. So from 60,000 we have gone to 214,000. This is how progressively people have accepted our service and seen how this total passengers have grown. And mind you, the current system of buses is also existing. We are running a parallel operation, and all the private buses we have not touched. So on a total count, we have 16,92,000, almost 17 lakh passengers we have ferried from July to March. Lot of talk is done about digital revenue. The smart city mission was very clear. The buses will be conductorless. It will be digital payment, cashless. It is both ease for the passenger as well as it is effort to reduce cost of operation for MCTL. The conductor costs 10 rupees per kilometer on a national average. That is the cost we are saving on a conductorless bus. The point we are making is, and the point which some media highlighted, is that when we do a digital transaction in a bus and we say it is conductorless, we do not accept cash. I will show you how we accept cash also. Though it is coming down, we have not brought it down, neither have we refused people.
गोमंतक टीव्ही खातीर रिपोर्टर गौरेश गांवकर.